your husband uses a metal can, or yourself, a metal can of shaving cream, and it has rust on the bottom, and then in your shower, you're getting rust stains all over. This is after scrubbing for a long time. I have rust stains all over just from him leaving the can there and it getting wet and rusting. So I have a solution on how to prevent this from happening. Just get a hot glue gun and some glue sticks. Once it's hot, then bring it on over, and then you're just gonna coat along this whole bottom to make it so it has a nice covered metal bottom, covered in glue instead of having the metal touching. Doesn't have to look pretty because it's gonna be underneath the bottle, so who cares what it looks like. Okay. Now all you gotta do is let that sit and dry. The nice thing about this is you don't even have to ask your husband to change anything that he does. You don't need to remind him over and over not to put the metal can on the shower bench or anything else. This is your way of fixing it and getting rid of any chances of frustration on your part or contention. Just fix it yourself. It took like 30 seconds. I'm just gonna leave that right there.